Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Langshaw Street, Salford M6 with a great opportunity to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a unique style for this development. There's very few of this style. It is a large 4-bedroom semi-detached property, benefiting from a driveway to the side for 2 cars. Let's take a look inside. As we enter the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. You'll notice we go around the property, it's been nicely decorated. On your left, we open on up into bay fronted dining space. Then we have the modern fitted kitchen through here. It's really tastefully decorated downstairs toilet. Then we've got this large, again bay fronted lounge along one side of the property with patio doors. This generously sized garden at the rear. As you can see, it benefits from the sun. Properties on this development are popular because they're within walking distance of Salford Quays and Media City. Just a short walk as well from Landworthy tram stop, with direct access into Manchester city centre, making it a great place for commuting. It's also great for families. It's within walking distance of amenities and local schooling too. Upstairs we have 4 well proportioned bedrooms, a double bedroom just through here. Again, another good sized bedroom. Modern 3-piece family bathroom. Another double just through here. And then we've got the main bedroom, which again is a good size and benefits from an ensuite bathroom as well. Shower room, should I say. Properties on this development are incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.